girls, it's Rowena. Welcome to the Girl Talk vlog. Tomorrow I am off to the BBC Radio 1 Teen Awards, so I thought I'd take you with me. And first, we're just doing a little bit of prep, packing everything so it's ready for tomorrow. First things first, need a bag. So got this one, cute little beading on it. I've got the bag for the camera. Tickets. Need my phone, just in case, always need that. Something to sign and a pen to sign it with. And questions. Need to make sure, ask everyone, get the goss. All the questions, all the things. Super. So, let's have an early night tonight and I will catch you in tomorrow. See you later. I made it to the BBC Radio 1 Teen Awards. I'm so excited! Well, let's see who's about.
Girls are amazing because it's hard being a girl sometimes. But we get through it and we have a good time doing it.
We rule the world.
Yeah. Girls are amazing because we truly know how to let our hair down and have fun.
What I love about girls in general is that we have this power of really supporting each other when we get together, and then we can just achieve amazing things. I feel like that's, you know, becoming more of a thing that I see so many girls just support other girls, and just that feeling of sisterhood is just very special, I think.
It's really good. Had a great day at the BBC Radio 1 Teen Awards. Saw so many people. I hope you had fun tagging along. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.